There's a package. Okay, I'll get it.
What does it say? Does it say someone?
What does it say? There's a package.
Is it so? Mommy, can I read?
Hi. You just woke up. Say hi.
Hi.
Yeah.
Mommy, what?
Says it's for Pepper and Kenny.
Yay. Mommy, can we open it?
Yeah, let's open it.
I bet it's set in for working.
Oh. All right, open it, open it. What's this?
Play-Doh.
Ooh, look at that.
Play-Doh.
What's that?
Oh, look at it. It's for Kenny.
Is it?
Yay. Come here, Olympic.
Yeah. Oh, look at that.
Mommy, I got Play-Doh. Me and Daddy ordered. Great, a Play-Doh roller. Awesome.
Whoa, what is that?
Mommy, look at the back.
Yay.
Toy? Yes. You are like you. Talk and then fine.
Wow.
Over and it. Mommy, can we open mine?
Sure.
Mommy, Daddy ordered it.
Nice.
Oh, Mommy. Hi everyone, we are going to open Play-Doh. It's a Play-Doh set. Okay, I don't know if this is a Play-Doh bag, but nice. It's Play-Doh. You can make all fun stuff. If you already have this, tell me. Okay. Now it came with a Play-Doh extruder. You guys will see that. Let's see. There we go. Even a snake. I think that snake is scary. Is it? And it also came with some Play-Doh sauce. This nice rolling pin. Whoa, 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 whoa. And this cutter. That's a really good cutter. And this roller. There are two rollers. And the same as the other. Okay, so let's start opening. The Play-Doh extruder. Second. It came with weeds. And we can make everything too. What's in here? It's a knife. Play-Doh knife. Also, the box. Take it. Everything that we need. This box. Play-Doh, blue Play-Doh, and yellow Play-Doh. So is your nose inside here? Nope. Just look over there, Play-Doh. This Play-Doh is out. Open it!
Are you excited?
Maybe.
Wow.
I need to wear it.
What happened? Here, let's close it.
It worked.
There you go. Ooh, look at you.
Now let's get it up. Slowly and carefully.
Wow.
Oops, oops.
Oops.
And
That's-
here.
Here.
We go.
A Play-Doh.
Yeah. And now it's time to put. Yeah. Now it's time to put the Play-Doh inside.
Oh.
Now this squeeze.
Oh.
Squeeze it.
I think we need to add more.
Oh yeah. Oh, I
Yeah.
It's coming. I got it. I have.
Oh, he wanted to help. Maybe we can push this one too. Oh, are you flying?
Is the Play-Doh coming?
Look at that.
Look, I had that one. I had that. Slime. Roll, 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 roll. Oh no, I'm going to cut it in the shapes I made. Okay. Oops. What's this for? This is hard. I have softy Play-Doh, but oh goodness, I got this. Yes. I used to do this.
Are you gonna put it here? Is that for making shapes too? No, I mean here.
Yeah, I'm not gonna use those. Roll up this Play-Doh. Roll it up, roll it up, roll it, roll it up. If you roll too much, that's what happens. You just get the projects. Use it. But this Play-Doh dry up. I need to push it. Push it. It's coming, yeah.
What are you making?
I'm making this. Push it. What's this for? What's this for?
Maybe you're gonna get it.
Oh, I know,
like
it's
that.
for cutting.
Just like that. Cool.
Now I'm going to put it in one of those shapes. Roll it again. Play-Doh's so much fun. Oh no, what's wrong? I think in this. Push it. Oops. Oopsie whoops.
Oh, what is that?
It is sugar. With a happy face. Happy face. Push, push. Pushing, pushing. Push, 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 push. I think it's done.
Ooh, let me see. Nice.
He
That's
looks-
so cute.
When you're doing those thingies, make sure you don't rip your designs, because you know you had to start over again. Definitely going to be fun. Yeah. So with my soft Play-Doh, I mess up it all the time, but it's just a little one. So
All right. You have fun.
yeah.
All right. See you next time. Say bye.
Bye. Bye.
Right here.
Bye bye. Bye bye. I'm going to.